Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to trade items on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. What we mean by trade is simply we're going to exchange inventory items from one user or our inventory to other users or to another user. And simply what we mean by items is simply the items that we have in our inventory in our Steam. So let's say that we want to initiate or we want to choose to use this item for us to trade. First, head on over to the bottom right of our screen. Look for the friend that we want to trade with, let's say this one, and head on over to their account or their profile. Next thing that we need to do here is to click this portion of the profile and simply click on offer a trade. And now you have the options for us to choose what items that we want from them and items that we will give them in return. Let's say that we want to choose their items. Let's say that we want to use or to get this one, and for exchange we'll give them this one. Next is we're going to simply click here to confirm trade contents and make offer. And now it will show or something will pop up which is additional confirmation needed. You need to Steam Guard enable, and from your Steam Guard what you need to do there is to simply confirm that trade. And after that what will happen is they will be notified of the offer from our trade, and from there what they can simply do is to either accept or decline our offer. And that's how we simply trade on Steam. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.